a fantastic question because this question crosses over between knowledge of IT systems and knowledge of building automation BACnet systems. So if you create one large BACnet system with say 1,000 devices, and these devices are configured to send out a whois every 15 minutes, well, you'll get this broadcast storm. You'll have every device send a whois, and then it will create this massive broadcast storm going everywhere. Now, if we created smaller islands, subnets, VLANs of 250 devices, now you can see how even if all 250 devices were sending out this broadcast whois at the same time, your peak is smaller. So by reducing the amount of broadcasts, you can improve the performance of your overall system. And that's why in Optigo Visual Networks, we have a diagnostic called Global Discovery. Global Discovery looks for these whois that's looking for a very large range. So, but now to continue on this question here, reducing the size of these VLANs will reduce what we call the broadcast domain. However, when we look at BACnet systems and we now add the role of a BBMD, when you put two BBMDs on each side, you're now taking all that broadcast from one network into the next network. So now instead of creating broadcast storm, you're creating a bottleneck through the BBMD. So that's where you have to have that balance of don't make it too small because then you have a tremendous amount of BBMD, much more likely to make mistakes, but you make it too big and now all that broadcast traffic from this subnet of VLAN A goes through that one BBMD.